Welcome. In front of me I have a speaker from Sonos, which you can barely see that it's even a speaker. A massive box that I don't have actually enough space on the desk for. Anyway, this is the Sonos 5, and I'm gonna try to figure out how to even open it up. So yeah, let's just flip it to the side. So we do have a bit of a pull tab right here. So we just kind of like yoink this, and then we swipe it to the side. Which this looks like it was already open, but in any case you can see we have a lock. So we're gonna swipe like so, and this basically unlocks it. And we do so on the other side as well. There we go. And then just simply pull it up. So, and here we can see there is the massive speaker. Yep, it was already open. Let's see based on how easily this comes off. So let's just get into it. So what I'm gonna do is just kind of like lift it up and then yoink the box off the table, just so I have place to put it. There we go. Flawless. Now, in here, for get rid of this, we do have a little bit of a box. There we go. And inside we have the cable. So obviously we're gonna need that. We won't need the paperwork. Let's just get it out of here. Like so. So it looks like we can place it either like so. So standing completely straight up, like an absolute unit. Funny enough, because the logo is basically the same from either side. So Sonos this way, Miss Sonos, and if we place it like this, it's also Sonos. And they did actually think about it, so we have also rubber feet on either top, bottom, and on, there we go, and on this side as well, so we can place it like this. So there we go, an absolute unit of a speaker. Now let's see what we got to deal with. So at the back we have an internet connection. We have, I believe, a headphone jack, although I could be wrong about this, I have no clue, can't really see in there. Then we got the supposedly a pairing button next to it. So just to kind of showcase this, so this would be the pairing button, Ethernet jack, I believe this is the headphone, and this is for power. And that's all we have actually here. And at the top we have a couple additional buttons, and that is not very easy to kind of flip around here, but yeah. So we have two, I believe, like directional buttons, play, pause, and an indication LED. And yeah, that's about it. So there we go. This is the Sonos speaker, and if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.